I will never hold back a sneeze again after learning this. You need to watch this if you struggle with sneezing. Did you know that when you sneeze, you can shoot snot out of your nose at 160 kilometers per hour? That's faster than a hurricane, but wait, there's more. If you try to hold it in, all that pressure has to go somewhere, right? It can actually backfire into your skull. We're talking damaged sinuses, burst blood vessels in your eyes, or even a brain aneurysm. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, just let it out. Because, trust me, no one wants to see your head explode.